everyone, welcome to Trading with Homely. Today I will sharing weekly KLSE summary and the topic, the features for strong stocks. First, we look at by the tick chart for the Friday. So from the Friday, we can see the price here also up and down. Okay, that means what? Means the long side and the short side make a even here. Okay, so that means if tomorrow or next Monday close with a bullish candlestick, so the market means a long wins. But once the market close with a bearish candlestick, that means the market will continue drop down. And from the sectors, we can say, okay, the healthcare and the energy performance is good, but for technology is not good. But compare with the Nasdaq yesterday, up a lot. So maybe next Monday, technology will also go up. Okay, what's more? Now we go to say the daily chart of index. So from the index, okay, first we can say here is a downtrend line. So for the downtrend channel, here is a strong support area. And what's more, we can say a lot of the chips gathering here also means strong support for the index. Okay, but we can say here is a bullish candlestick, but Friday close with a bearish candlestick. That's why just now I mentioned if Monday still can close with a bullish candlestick, that means a rebound is start. But once next Monday close with a bearish candlestick, so it's still not a good point for us to go inside. What's more, okay, later I will teach you a method to find the high point. How to find the high point when the price rebound. For example, like this area. How to sell? First, we can compare with the downtrend line. Second, also here got the chips means strong resistance. What's more is a short-term top. So what is a short-term top? Short-term top means when in the downtrend, when the stock price rise, rebound. Okay, the highest price continues to rise and hits third new highs, which is a short-term sell point. Here we need to attention. The three candlesticks do not need to appear continuously, and the three candlesticks are compared with each other. So here, for example, we can say the price is correction or drop down, right? And from this candlestick, the price start to rebound. Okay, so we can mark this candlestick as 0. Okay, the high price as H0. So that means once the high price hit a new high, compare with the candle 0, so the third day is our short-term sell point. So 1, 2, and 3. So actually for the H3 is our short-term sell point. Now we can go back to the index. So here, okay, is a downtrend, right? So this is a bullish candlestick. So this is candle 0. So if the candle, okay, didn't hit a new high and didn't hit a new low, so we just skip this candlestick. So this candlestick hit a new high compared with candle 0. So this is 1. And if the new low high price hit a new high compared with candle 1, so this is candle 2. And then what's more, if compare with candle 2, the price hit a new high, so this is candle 3. So candle 3 is our short-term sell point. Now we can say here is also a bullish candlestick pattern. So this is candle 0. This is candle 1. So Friday is candle 2. So that means once next Monday, the high price hit a new high. So there will be candle 3. So actually, candle 3 is a short-term sell point. But once later the price break, hit a new high again, so this rebound will become reversal, at least from short-term to medium rebound. Okay, and from the weekly chart, why I think it's just a rebound? Because from the weekly chart, okay, now we can use healthcare sector. Last time also we can see this is a bullish candle pattern. So this is candle 0. So this is candle 1. This is candle 2. So this one skip. So this is candle 3. So after candle 3 we can sell. So after we sell, you can see the price drop a lot. Now it's also the same. So this is candle 0. So this is candle 1. So that means the healthcare sector hit a new, two new highs. So will be candle 2 and 3. So actually, candle 3 is a short-term sell point. So remember, this method only use downtrend. Okay, once the market from downtrend to uptrend, so we cannot use this method. And from the weekly chart, why just now I mentioned is not a real or medium bottom. Why? Because from the weekly chart, we can see the KDG. So every time I will use KDG weekly chart to judge the high and low point with the KLSE. So you can see every time when the G line upper cross the line is a low point. Is a low point. So every time since 2018 till now, I have used this method more than 5 years, and every time this method works. So this time also we need to wait the G line upper cross, that only to make sure the medium bottom is appeared. So now is just a short-term rebound. Okay, so for rebound, we can go and trade, but we need to control our capital to small position and setting a colors and a position lah. Okay, so this is KLSE, and next one is how to find all the features of strong stocks. Okay, how to find the strong stocks? So here we need to compare with the index. What's the mean? Okay, for example, when the index dropping down, so but the individual stock, okay, higher low here. So that means this kind of stock is stronger than index. So we can say later, once index stop dropping down, so this kind of stock, the performance is better than index. Also, now we can say two factors. First is construction. Why? Because we can say the index now is lower low and higher low, lower high, right? But we can say the construction index is higher low, right? So this is stronger than index. What's more, another one is a property. Why? Because we can say when the price dropping down, but the property is keeping sideways. So that means also stronger than index. So from this method, we can find some strong stocks. For example, the former high point is January 30, and the low point is February 10. Okay, this time the market dropped down, but we can find some strong stock. Okay, the price is goes up. For example, For e.g., we can say during this period, the market is dropping down. But e.g., okay, high or low. So later when the index stop dropping, so we can say this stock, the performance is good than index. So we can use this method. Why? Because now we can see from this high point to this low point, we can also find this period which stock is stronger than index and find this kind of stocks to find some buy and sell signal. Next one is SMRT, also same. Okay, so this period the price dropped down, but this one keep sideways and later, so you can see the performance is good. So this time we can use another date range from 16 February to 2nd March, because this time the price, the index also hit a new low, right? So we can find which one is better than this one. So I found some stock, the SMRT. Okay, also the same. Also the same. So this kind of stock is stronger than index. And this one, okay, Pelican, also same. So you can see price drop down, but this one, okay, is goes up. And what's more, the price now has broken the resistance already. So we can find the strong stocks. But for buy and sell signal, we need to combine with other indicators lah. So if you want to learn more knowledge about the technical indicators, and if you want to receive my video every week, you can follow my YouTube channel. Every week, I will give the market summary and share you some technical analysis method. Okay, so thanks for your watching. So that's all. Thank you. See you next week.